Virat Kohli bids farewell to Test cricket. Virat Kohli, the man who redefined Test cricket for a generation, has retired from the longest format of the game. With 9,230 runs, 30 centuries, and 31 50s, numbers alone can't capture the legacy he's left behind.
Virat Kohli has retired from Test cricket, so he announces his Test retirement. In fact, he did this in a post.
From a fiery youngster to King Kohli, he transformed India's Test side into a global force. He started with twin hundreds in his captaincy debut, a feat matched only by Greg Chappell. As a leader, he made bold calls, backed fast bowlers, and made fitness a team obsession. Under him, India conquered Australia in 2018-19, the first Asian team ever to do so. He stood tall in battles against England in 2018, and with his rallying cry, "Let's give them hell!" in Lord's 2021, Kohli's fire lit up the format in a T20 crazy world. His fierce passion made Test cricket cool again. As India's most successful Test captain and a true red ball warrior, Kohli signs off, leaving behind a legacy that will inspire generations. Goodbye, legend. Test cricket won't be the same without you. A legend walks away, but his legacy lives on. Honor it by pressing like, share, and hit the subscribe button now.